Welcome to How to Earn Money Chatting with Strangers tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money using Flirtbox website. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So as you see, this website will give you money chatting with other people and flirting. So they don't pay you doing a cam performing or any other thing that will be shameful for you or bad for your image. All you need to do is flirting through the chat. You don't have to pretend to be someone else. Take orders from anyone and nothing bad is required. As a chat host, they encourage you to be yourself. Unlike other programs, you only chat with users you want to chat with and talk about the things you want to discuss. Work from your home, get paid by check or PayPal, no upfront fees or investments required. So all you need to do is click on apply and you will be directed to the application site. As you see here, you will put your account information, your name, last name, password, email address, and the birth date. Then you confirm your password. Here you will put your payment information, address, country, region, city, postal code, and the way that you want to be paid. As you see here, you can put your PayPal email. Then you will accept the terms and click on submit. Then the website will respond to you in 24 hours or less. So you must be 18 years old and you'll be asked to give them a photo of your valid ID. You will need access to a computer and you must have a high-speed network connection. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.